Publius Cornelius Tacitus Annales, episode 19. Bellum ea tempestate nullum nisi adversus Germanos supererat, abolendae magis infamiae ab amissum cum quintilio vardro exercitum, quam cupidine proferrendi imperii, aut dignum ob praemium. Tacitus then says, there was no war bellum nullum at that time period, ea tempestate, except the one that survived supererat against the Germans, adversus Germanos. So we can take this as supererat being the main verb with bellum the subject. Either way, bellum is neuter, singular, and nominative, modified by nullum in the same gender, number, and case. Or we can understand some kind of verb implicit here, perhaps erat, there was no war at that time, ea tempestate, which is a feminine singular ablative of time. And then we have to take nisi through Germanos like so. So there was no war at that time except the one against the Germans. Or we can take, again, erat implicit and supererat with an implicit subject, bellum. But I think the former is the easier explanation. Then, as Tacitus continues, he has magis. It was more, namely this war, against the Germans, was more abolendae infamiae, for the sake of wiping out the disgrace. Infamiae here is feminine, singular, and genitive, modified by abolendae in the same gender number case, and abolendae is modifying it, of course, as a gerundive, or in Latin we would call it a gerundivum. That is a verbal adjective, it's passive. It's from the verb aboleo, aboleire, like so, second conjugation verb. And I think we want to understand here something like causa, that this war was fought more for the sake of wiping out the disgrace. And what was the cause of that disgrace, the source? We're going to find out when he gives us ob, the prepositional phrase. That infamy was on account of ob, the army exercitum, that had been lost, and it is the army cum quintilio vardro. So the preposition ob takes always and only the accusative. Its object here is exercitum, masculine singular accusative, fourth declension, and modified by amissum. So it was more fought for the sake of the wiping out of the disgrace that had arisen from the army which was lost, the army with Quintilius Varus that had been lost. So Quintilio vardro is going to be masculine singular and an ablative of accompaniment with cum. So that was the reason, rather than quam, from a desire, cupidine, proferrendi imperii, from a desire of extending the empire, or expanding his power, or ob, because of dignum praemium, some worthy reward, some worthy prize. And again, we have the preposition ob, like we had up here, with its object praemium in the neuter singular and accusative, and its adjective dignum coming before the preposition. Notice this is different from ob, then the adjective amissum, then the object exercitum quite a bit after. Notice this facet of Tacitus's style. He says magis abolendae infamiae, then ab amissum exercitum. That's one idea, giving an explanation for the desire to wipe out the disgrace. Then, now we get another construction, cupidine, feminine singular, and ablative of instrument, the second explanation. Then the third one is back to the preposition ob, dignum ob praemium. So three different ways of explaining the motivation for continuing the war against the Germans, and the three different ways are each styled somewhat different. The first and the third are similar, relying upon the preposition ob, but notice the order of the words. We have ob, then amissum, adjective, and quite a ways away we have then the noun exercitum. Here we have the adjective, namely dignum, in the second instance, then we have ob, and then we have the noun praemium, like so. I'm just using abbreviations. So the first way is like so, the third way is dignum ob, and the second is this ablative of instrument, cupidine.
Thank you so much for watching this free video. I hope that you learned a lot about the classical languages and advanced your knowledge and enjoyment. You can help us keep going with this instruction if you like this video and subscribe to the channel. We've had hundreds of thousands of views in the last 9 years, and we would really like to grow our number of subscribers. If you hit the little bell, you will be notified every time we release a brand new free instructional video. You can also check out one of my Latin or Greek courses at LatinPerDiem.com or mossmethod.com. Check the links if you'd like to study Latin and Greek with me directly. So keep learning, and vale tote omnes.